fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hi guys, hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I am going to be analyzing a friend that can steal from you by cheek. That is what we are going to be analyzing in this video. I don't want this video to be too long, just a short video. At first, I had to know them, a friend that can steal from you by cheek. That is what we have to be analyzing in this video today. Number one, I have to know them. They complain too much. Yes. It's not like that complaint that they are complaining is actually true. No. They complain bitterly for you to have, for you to have a good heart for them, for your heart to beat for them. They will complain that you yourself you cannot be human. At the same time that they will be laying that complaint on your head, you will be having headache, you'll be feeling pity, you'll be feeling bitter for them. They will complain that a lot of things is going on in this life, my people. A lot of things is going on, guys. There is things that where you reach is where you don't reach. Where you didn't reach, you don't know. Okay, guys, how to know these people? They are dangerous. They are just set of group of people like that. If you go and fall in their hand, trust me, they will still by you by trick. That when you realize your mistake, anytime you realize your mistake with them, you will start tearing. They will hurt you so badly, like they were mumu that they catch mugu. Yeah, they feel like that. How to know them so that you can run away from them when you are having them close to you? How to know them? They are the same people who will be complaining they pay bill too much. We all know in Deutschland here, nobody is not paying bill. All of us pay bill. If you are not paying bill here in Deutschland, that means you are dead already. It's a bill of we live in a country of that will pay bill. Let me say all the whole Europe country, you pay bill a lot. They will start by saying they pay bill. All money that they receive this month, all their salary is for bill. Their father is sick, they put all their money. Right now they don't have, can you borrow money for we? Borrowing money for friends is not a problem. After borrowing money from them finish, it's a problem. When you are laying that money to them, it's not a problem. When they want to return the money for you, it became problem. It became problem. Maybe you are that kind of person who don't need problem in your life. You will say, okay, I dash you the money. It do happen. It's okay, I dash you the money. That's that they will keep stealing from you, stealing from you, stealing from you, stealing from you, which is the money side of borrowing. And the second one, they are the same people when they will see good clothes from you, they want you to get it from them. It's not only just getting it from them. They want you to use your money. I get it from them, not their money. Or is it makeup? Is it human hair? Is it shoe? They want to get the same thing like the way you have, but they cannot get it with their money. They want to get it with your own money. You see, they will be stealing from you by cheek. It's not like they don't have money to afford it. They do have money to afford it, just that they want to steal from you by cheek. They want to steal from you by cheek. So they will find a way of stealing from you by cheek. They cannot just come into your home and come and steal your money. No. They will use their number 9 to steal from you by cheek. By anything you put on yourself, they want to get the same thing. So if you normally have friends that you post a picture, you see clothes on you, you want you to get the same clothes from them. Not with her money, with your money. Say, just buy it for me with Gichin. Always you normally buy for her Gichin. It's run away from your life. Sometimes you have friends, you buy some clothes, you say that, oh, this clothes will suit on your friend. It's good to buy something for your friend with your not your friend normally ask you. Don't think, oh, because I have, that's why she's asking me. She don't have. It's lie. They have. They have. They are actually using your money to enrich themselves. They are using your money to enrich themselves. Can you imagine now? You bought a top like this, because here in Deutschland, it normally hard for you to see a top of €5. It's hard for you to see. They said they do sales from €15, €12 going up. You can see a good top that you wear. After you buy for her €10, you buy for yourself €10. 20 euro is removed from your salary. So use your sense. It's good to buy something when it comes to your heart. Give to your friend. It's good to buy something from your heart and give to your friend. But for your friend normally asking you money, you think, oh, you are the Father Christmas here, or you are Alpha and Omega. Trust me, they are stealing from you by cheek. They are actually using you. When you go bed with her husband, he will laugh at you. Look at her, she thought she have, meanwhile she don't have. I'm actually eating her money to arrange myself. A lot of things is going on in this world, and when your eye not here, you finally find out, oh, these people have been stealing from me, this my friend have been stealing from me by cheek, then let me quit. It's a problem to them. Yes, that is the reason why you don't need to start what you can't finish. Don't start it. What you know you can't finish, don't start it. Don't. Especially when you came and meet some dangerous snake friends like this, don't start what you can't finish. Because when you start it and you cannot finish it, is a problem. When you want to try to pull back, it's a problem to them. It's a problem to them because they know that what they get from you, the benefit that they get from you, then don't get it anymore. It's a problem for you. They will make sure they haunt you. They haunt you. They will give you a pain that even the man that put you at home, is not giving you pain. Your friend, the one you call your best friend, will give you that pain that you can never forget in a hurry. If you are not strong, you must seek at the process. When you try to pull back from a friend that normally steals from you by trick, if you want to try pull back, there's a problem. They are dangerous. They're dangerous more than snake. So before you make friends, make sure you are making friends that you don't ask you for money. A friend that they cannot ask you borrow money from you. A friend that cannot ask you what you wear, buy some for me also with your money. A friend that cannot ask you nothing. Just make a friend. What you have is your, what I have is mine. So take note. Before you want to make friends, make sure you are having friend that can turn 2 euro into 5 euro, from 5 euro into 10 euro. There are many out there. A lot of them do have money. They want to use it to arrange yourself. Why some people don't know how to keep. They don't know how to save money. They don't know how to save money. If you save more than them, it's a problem. Especially a friend that you tell to. A friend that you tell to, oh, I have some money like this I have been saving. I want to go for some things like this. I want to go for so much like this. I want to go for gold. I want to go and buy some gold for myself. Your friend, it will not let you to have it. It must bring your own problem into that your money. That money will not come and be being a sleepless night for her. Sleeping tablets. Cannot have sleep for night anymore. That money will bring a big problem to her. He will find a way. If he didn't find a way of collecting some share from that money that you actually tell her you saved, he will find a way of collecting a share. If he didn't get a share, he will not rest until he get a share. So be very careful. It's not everything you tell friend about your success. Don't do it. Don't tell friend about your success. Take note for that. Especially most of you who cannot keep anything concerning their marriage. Be wise. So see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.